Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Auto Tab Discard Chrome extension to save memory and make Chrome run faster. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and you can search for Auto Tab Discard. Here you will see, click on the extension, then add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon to mark it pin. Now open any other tab. If I am opening Google, ChatGPT, just simply click on the extension. Here you will see all the options like discard tab group, discard other tabs. Here you will see, you will click on discard tab, it will be discarded and move on to another tab. Again, you will click on discard other tabs in this window. Here you will see icon. Also, you can just simply click on options. Now you will select discard inactive tabs after how much time, like I am selecting only 1 minute. Also you can see other settings like do not discard a tab when there is a paused media player or pinned item. You can see all the settings and change according to your preference. And that's it. Auto tab discard is an easy way to reduce memory usage and improve Chrome performance. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.